Dear students, I hope you all are keeping well and you are healthy. Okay, I already given so many revision assignments of each chapter that I completed during the month of April. That was chapter number 1, numbers, chapter 2, addition, chapter 3, that was subtraction, then multiplication, and then I given you definitions related to chapter number 11, that is geometry. In that chapter, one portion was incomplete, that is related to circles. So in this video now I am going to explain the definitions related to circle. Okay. So what is a circle? A circle is a closed curve. Each of those points is at same distance from a fixed point. Okay, a circle is a closed curve whose each points are at the same distance from a fixed point. Okay, this is the fixed point. Okay, and if you will draw line segments to this boundary of circle, then all the distance will be same. So that means a circle is the group of points, or you can say circle is a closed curve of those points is at the same distance from a fixed point. From particular fixed point, these all points, whatever points lies on these curves will be at the same distance. Then you will get the circle. Now there are a lot of parts of circle. Okay. So what are the parts of circle? The first one is center. All the points in a circle are at the same distance from a fixed point inside it. Whatever the points are there, you know that all the points are at the same distance from a fixed point, and that fixed point is known as center. That fixed point is called the center of circle. Okay, did you understood? The second part is radius. If you will draw any line segment from the circle to the center, joining the center to the circle, then you will get the radius of circle. The distance from the center to any point on circle is called radius of circle. Understood? Third thing is chord. The chord, the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle, that will be chord of the circle. Like that you can see in the diagrams also, this is the chord, this is also the chord of circle. The line segment joining any 2 points on circle is called chord of circle. Next thing is the diameter. A chord that passing through the center. This is a type of chord. Diameter is also a chord, but it is a special type of chord that will pass through the center of the circle. It will divide the circle into 2 equal parts. It will passes through the center of the circle, that is called the diameter of the circle. Okay. There are few properties also. The diameter is the longest chord of circle. First thing, the diameter is the longest chord of circle, and the diameter is always double of the radius, 2 times of the radius. If you will multiply the radius by 2, then you will get the diameter. So now if someone asks you that the radius of a circle is 6 centimeter, then what will be the diameter? You can simply say the diameter is double of the radius, so it will be 6 multiplied by 2, 12 centimeter. So diameter is equals to 2 multiply radius, and this is the circle. And what is the diameter? I will again repeat that a chord that passes through the center of circle is called diameter of circle. And the last part is circumference. The boundary of circle, that boundary of the circle is known as circumference of circle. The boundary of the circle is known as circumference of circle. So these are the few definitions related to circle and its parts that you have to write in your notebook, that I already given as assignment also. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me again. The remaining portion of this chapter I will explain whenever schools will reopen. So from the next video I will start new chapter. Okay, okay students, if you have any doubt you can ask me personally also. Thank you.